Recently, a few of my mentees and strangers have been reaching out, asking questions around leveling up and career progression in the Agile project management world. The thing is, I noticed most of them have been asking more questions around project management, which is amazing. As you may already know, in January of 27th of January 2025, the Project Management Institute signed partnership with Agile Alliance. So it would make sense that since these two organizations are now marrying Scrum Masters or people in the Agile space would want to at least have a good backup from a traditional project management perspective. Now, one thing I realize people are not talking about is product management. I didn't say project management. I said product management. And I'm now curious if people know about product management. And the most interesting thing is it's one of the most high-paying jobs in the Agile project management space in this digital era or recently. So in today's video, I'm going to be exploring or give you a good overview of the product management career, just so it piques your interest and you may want to look into it. So now let's get started. Hi everybody, this is Karen Fomafung, your business agility, AI and career coach. And in today's video, I'm going to be exploring this amazing and high in demand career path, which is product management. And so if this is your first time here, please stay tuned. Watch to the very end, hit that subscription button, share with at least 5 people and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so very much. Now let's get started. Are you familiar with product management? And by the way, what is product management? Today, I want to open your eyes to the one of the most in demand and highly dynamic career path in the Agile world, which is product management. I am not talking about product ownership. I'm talking about product management. Now let's get started. So with everything that has been going on for the past 3 years in the tech space, this role has been evolving fast and quietly. So let's talk about it. So product management is all about being able to identify the right problems to solve in an organization and guiding your teams to create the right solutions. So it's not all about building what is possible. It's about building what truly matters. So, who leads this role of product management? The role of product management is led by the product manager, which is what I'm most interested in talking about today. So, where does the product manager sit in all of the whole product management space, especially in the tech? So, the product manager, the way I would describe it, the product manager sits at the intersection between business, technology, and user experience. So the product manager is like liaison among these 3 different roles. So the kind of questions they'll typically ask is, that is in the process of being able to do their job well and be effective, they will typically ask these 3 core questions. What do our customers really need? What does value really mean to the business? What creates value for the business? And how can we deliver that value quickly in high quality